Thanks for using PhiConnect solutions for your e-commerce website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to maintain your website. Go ahead and log on. Once you log on, go to the Web Design tab. And here in the first website settings, here go ahead and look at your basic settings. Here's your site name, your site title. You could set up your site email address right here. And if you want to set up a product review, if you want it on auto yes or not, and then if you want to put a copyright on the bottom of your page, you could go ahead and do that. And if you have a Google Analytics, you could go ahead and get that from them and get the HTML from them and paste it in here. Next, you want to look at your logo. If you have a logo, this is where you could upload it, and it'll show up on your website on the top left hand side right here. If you go log on to your website, in this case it's demo.PhiConnect.com, and your logo will appear here, and your main banner will show up as well, and also your mail logo. Let's go next to your meta tags. This is where you want to place your meta tags. Here's your meta title, your meta keywords, and your meta description. Let's go under design template. This is where you set up your top menu arrangement. You could these are all defaulted, so you cannot add or anything like that. You could actually put it here, rearrange it however you want. If you want the help over there, contact us. And once you're done with that, go ahead and click update layout, and that will show as well on your website. And this is it right here. Next thing we will go to is your index item arrangement. You can choose if you want to have it on the left side, right side, if you want to have it hidden. Same thing if you want to have featured, new items. It depends on your arrangement. And you could have up to 12 items or however many items you want to be displayed there. I'm going to go and click save, and you could verify that on the website here. This is where you have your featured items, your hot items, new items, so on and so forth. And then this is where the index left side, this will show right here. This is your index left, and this is your index right. You could have that set up right here. Once you have that, you know, it's up to you if you want to put HTML coding in there. And same thing as the right side, the index right, it's same thing. And if your checkout instructions, if you want to go ahead and submit that as well, I'll be on there. And right here I'm going to show you the coupon management. You could create coupons on your website. For this purpose, I'm going to make a test coupon so you can show it, the amount of the coupon, or if you want to have a percentage off. Say for instance, if you want to have $10 off, minimum purchase of $200, then you could have a $10 off on amounts over $200, and you could have it valid through however you want, like November 15th of November. And you go and click that, and it will save right here the test coupon, and it'll show the expiration date of 11/15, minimum purchase of $200, and amount of $10 is required. So you could go ahead and do that. Here, let's go ahead and click web design featured items. Here you can select from your first page as well. You could select what items you want in there. let's go ahead, click new items or hot items. Any item there will show up. So we'll just go ahead and click several items here. If you click submit under hot items, it will show up, and they were created right there. And it's the same thing for featured items, hot items, new items, so on and so forth. And right here, best selling, you could go ahead and do that as well. Go ahead and click. You know, if you want it for the main page or if you want it for each section, you could go ahead and do that. And for the featured items, you know, you have different hot items, special, featured, and so on and so forth. So that's a brief overview of your web maintenance or your web design.